His Excellency, Mr. Ubed Hassana, Director of Department of Research and Islamic Studies, Ministry of Al-Khaf and Islamic Affairs, Qatar. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor to give the inaugural address to such an eminent body present at the third international conference titled Islamic Values in a Changing World, and to join all of you today in Pattani, the province with the largest Muslim population in Thailand and a long tradition of Islamic education. I am very pleased to extend a cordial welcome to all our friends from various countries, including ambassadors, ministers, muftis, rectors, prominent Muslim scholars, and many others. On this occasion, I thank the College of Islamic Studies, Prince of Songkhla University, Pattani campus, for hosting this conference. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, in this event, we aim to identify some obstacles that make the core values in Islamic teachings less effective. Therefore, let us join together to discover, discuss, and share views on the importance of balance, moderation, and coexistence in peace and harmony. I firmly believe that this conference will give us some better ways to understanding of wasatiyah, or moderation, through effective and productive Islamic teaching in such an unstable, contemporary, changing world as we live in today. The world now pays more attention to the Islamic principles as well as Muslim communities, while the study of Islam also utilizes new disciplinary approaches in order to thoroughly and correctly understand those core values. Excellencies, this conference is an extension of the two previous international conferences, which are the role of Islamic studies in the Globalized Society 2010 and Islamic Studies in a Changing World, Challenges and Opportunities 2013. This year, we emphasize on the importance of the above-mentioned core Islamic value so that individuals and communities, regardless of religious belief, could have a better understanding. Thereby, they might be able to practice and promote such values in a sustainable and peaceful society with justice and human rights observed. Ladies and gentlemen, the teaching of Islam are indeed opposite from those of extremism and in conflict with the principle of Islamic law derived from the Holy Quran and Hadith. In this context, it is safe to say that moderation seems to be the most viable option for all conflicting parties to consider. Thus, I repeat to you here, let us join together to ensure that religion is a source of healing and blessing rather than that of conflict and destruction. And for us Muslims, we should always make dua for the good things in this world and for the good things in the next life. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the good things in my life is to see that Islamic studies is fully integrative and accommodative of other secular science, and I wish the academic circles would make it happen by designing proper integrative Islamic and academic study programs so that graduate could become more attractive to employers. In closing, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I strongly believe that this conference will attain its goal in facing the challenges and opportunity to provide constructive critique and assessment insights in a rapidly changing world today. With this, I declare open the third International Conference, Islamic Values in a Changing World. I wish all of you great success. May peace and blessing be upon you. Thank you for your attention. Shukran and Sawadee Krap.